Welcome to session on encapsulation and packages. Learning objective at the end of this session, you will know what is the encapsulation, and how to create packages. And prerequisites for this class is how you should know how to create object and access specifiers. I hope we covered this in the previous session. What is an encapsulation? Encapsulation is encapsulation is nothing but data hiding. Suppose if you take an example of bank operations, if you go to bank and ask about your balance and your loan amount, your bank details only you will know how much is the bank balance and what is the loan amount, and the other person don't know what is the bank balance. So it is a best example for the encapsulation. We are giving the permission to what extent you need that details. So it will not show the other details that you will modify or you will change. So it is a basic definition of encapsulation. The encapsulation is nothing but data hiding. If a field is declared private, it cannot be accessed by anyone outside the class. So someone asked in the previous session example for the private or access specifiers. Encapsulation is the best example for the private class. If you declare any variable in private in a class, you cannot access that variable in the next class or subclass or in the packages. As I said earlier, bank operation is the real world example for the, and you should also have it will not show the internet details to all the internet details to the users. If you want bank loan amount, and the bank cashier will not know how much your loan amount unless he has a permission to do that. So it is a basic example for the encapsulation. So what is the advantages of encapsulation? Security. User will not change if you declare a variable as private, and you cannot change the value in the next class or some other place, because that variable cannot access. Maintainability of code. If you get an error in that particular class, you can modify that code for the particular class, then you may solve that error. This is the main advantage, maintainability, and you have a total control over that class. And as I said, class is the perfect example for the encapsulation. If you want to write more realistic and responsible program, you can declare a variable as, don't declare a variable, every variable as a public, because you have access throughout your program. So you should know which access specifier is for that class, and you should use that access specifier. Class is the perfect example because others may not modify that value if you declare it as private. Okay. We will write a program on class and display name and age. encapsulation example. Public static void main house. Before that, create another class. So example. So it's always better to give indentation. Private string name. And just declare. So here I'll create object for that class. Here I'm calling a method called display. Here public void display. System.out.println. So let me explain this program. So first you will create a class called example1, and here you are creating object for that class. Example1 equal to example1 ex equal to new example, and here you are displaying, you are calling a method called display. So this is when you execute this program. So this variable string name is accessible only this class one because it is declared as private. Try this example. Just try to print this name in the main method after this method calling. So you will get an error. So just try out that problem in the practice session. Try to print this variable in the next class. Okay. Yeah. And this is same as the previous program. Here we are taking variable as name. In the next example, we will take it as, just try out these problems in the practice session. Here we will take another two variables called bank balance and amount. We will declare it as private bank balance some equal to 1000, and in this method in this class create another method called balance and add that take user input from the user from regarding amount, add that amount to this balance and print the total balance in the next class. So try out this problem in the practice session. Okay. It's time for some workouts. Create a class called rectangular underscore area and compute the area. Use private variables and create a method called area. And it will take around 5 to 10 minutes. It's same as the previous example. Okay, any questions till now? Type completed when you complete this task. Please put a message in chat. Yeah, okay. Try to write comments for the program also. And this is the previous program. Here we are creating object ex for the class called example1, and again we are calling the method display in this class. So here we are declaring a variable as private, so it has accessibility only in this class only. So, and again if you in the display method I am displaying this name. So you will get here output as Bharat because it will access only in this class, and here in this class only you are printing the output. So if you want to print the output in the other class, then you have not access for this variable, so you will get an error. Okay. Just type in chat box when you are completed. Yeah, okay. What about switches now? Okay, done. Sri Chaitanya, do you want some extra time or did you finish the task? Yeah, okay. We'll continue this session. Coming to packages, Java package is a set of classes which are grouped together. In the main advantage of package is it is reusable. You can easily find out the where the error is occurring, and you can module wise you can divide the project or the program. You can divide modularly the program. It helps the program to find out the where the error is occurring, and what is the how to what is the error and how to clear that. So packages when so if you write a program, first statement is import java.io.star. What is that means? So it will import the all the packages in that io.package input output stream. Without java.io.star, you cannot put a print statement system.out.println because it gives an error. So this is a very basic example for the Java packages. If you import the Java io.package only, then only we can put the system print statements or file using file exception. You can solve the file exceptions or anything by using java.io.star on with that package. Generally, there are two types in packages: user-defined packages and the default packages. Default packages are, as I said, java.io.star and java.aw.star for the strings operation. AWT is for strings. Applet.star is for the applet, and the util. And these are the line packages. These are the different packages that are available in the Java. Default packages are, this is a very common example for the Java packages. So if you go to the C program files, you can see in the Java install folder, you can see different packages, AWT and IO, util, long. These are the packages that defaultly come from the Java JDK. It will organize the files into different folders so that you can easily use that. Obvious example is Java JDK package. In the C program files JDK for Java JDK, you can see the different packages. Coming to the user-defined packages, so I will explain the user-defined package by using example. So import java.io.star for printing and other purposes. So public class main underscore suppose example. This is example is for the user defined packages. Public static void main. System.out.println. Suppose in main method, just print that statement. First, I will create an object for the three classes. I will create the three. Okay, let me create three other files. Yeah. So first, I will create a folder called and create another folder, new folder. So example packages. Here I am saving it as main underscore example dot Java. Okay. Packages main example.java. So I'll create another folder called suppose movies. This is the package name. So here I will create another folder, another package, another class. Suppose for example Telugu.java. We will save it as Telugu.java. So here the first statement is package because it's in the package called movies. So the first line in the package is package name, and here we will write as public, and the method should be public, and every method should be declared as public class or anything public class. Suppose Telugu underscore movies. So just create a method public void display. So just put a print statement system.out.println. Telugu movies. And just close this. To save it as Telugu movies.java. Okay. So create another class called Hindi movies. Same display method, and here we'll change the print statement as Hindi movies. Save it as Hindi movies.java. Create another class English movies. Save the file name as English movies.java. Okay. So this is the main example, is the main method. So always main method should be outside from the package folder. So this is the main method, and in this package folder, package name called movies folder, we have three classes: English movies, Hindi movies, Telugu movies. These are the three different classes in the packages. So first we'll complete this method. Now we'll create objects for that classes, for the three classes Telugu, Hindi, English. So Telugu underscore movies Telugu equals to new Telugu movies. So similarly for the three other classes. Hindi, Hindi, and also Hindi. English. So here we created three objects for the three classes. So we'll just give a user interface choice for the user to set movies. System.out.println one for Telugu, two Hindi, English, for to exit, and you will ask the user to enter your choice. Enter your Let me explain this program. Here I created a package for movies. In that I have three files: English movies, Hindi, and Telugu. And outside of that package folder, I have a main method. Here I am creating objects for these three classes: Telugu, Hindi, and English. So we'll ask the user to enter the user input whether he wants to select Telugu, Hindi, or English. So let's continue on this program. Case 2. Hindi dot display. Case 3. English dot display. System.exit 0. Exit from the program. So here this is the main package, main method. So here we are creating object for the other three classes: Telugu, Hindi, and English. You are using that methods by using this object Telugu.display, Hindi.display. These are the methods in that folder. In Hindi, you have display method. So I gave in English same as for the Telugu. And but here after this import statement, import java.io.star, you have to import that package, movies package. So import movies.star. .star means you will import all the three files that are in the movies folder. Without this line, you cannot access to that methods. You will get an error. So when you are compiling this, first you will go to that folder cd movies. Then you will compile all the three classes: English movies.java, Java C, Telugu movies.java, Hindi movies.java. So no errors in the package folder. So then again you come back from that package. So cd dot. So now we will execute the main method. Java C main example.java. So unreported exception, okay. Throws IO exception. So you know what is this throws keyword and what is the use of using that keyword in the coming sessions and the session exceptions on the next Saturday. So if we exclude this, yeah, okay, no errors. Java main underscore example. So we will ask the user to, if I enter choice as one Telugu movies. Okay. This is the how to create user defined packages. Example for how to create user defined packages. First, main method should be outside from the package folder, and then the first line in the program is you have to import the package. That is, in this example, package name is movies. So first you will import that package, and after that, in the package folder, the first line is package name, that is movies, package movies, and the class and the method search should be public. Then only you will access it from the main method. So if you define as private or anything, you cannot access. So main method should be public void display, just printing the statements. Similar for the Hindi. First line is package name, and the methods are public, and this is the print statement. Similarly for the Telugu, package name, and the method name. When you compile, first you have to compile the Java files in the package, that is Telugu, Hindi, English, and then you come out of that package folder, cd-f, then you will use main method. So then user will enter his choice. Any doubts so far in the how to create user defined packages? Any doubts? Please type in chat box regarding packages. What about Bapatla and Sri Chaitanya? Vienna, please publish your video. Any questions from Bapatla side and Sri Chaitanya? Please type in chat box. Yes, Sri Chaitanya, please type your question in the question box, or else 1 minute I'll. Sri Chaitanya, you can speak now. So we are unable to hear your voice. Or else type in chat box. Yeah, okay, then type. No problem. Yeah, okay, no problem. Sure, sir. No doubts? Bapatla and Vienna, you have any doubts regarding how to create user-defined packages and how to execute? Okay. Yeah, okay. This is the example that I saw in the program. First statement is import solids. This is the package name. Solids means solids is the package name, and main method. This is the example for the main method. And for the compiling of packages, first we'll compile the Java files in the package folder, then we'll compile the main method like cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere. These are the Java files in the package folder. Then you will compile task1.java. This is the main method. After that, we will get this output. This is the sample example for the how to run packages. And the default packages are, as I said, there is no need to import java.lang.io, lang.start, because the company will automatically import that package. And as I said, Java IO.package contains input stream, buffer stream, printing file. With if you don't import this package, you will get an error for the system.out.println statement. And Java util package is used for the date function. These are the main functions of util package: date function, calendar, and the collections. If you want to see the today's date, then you can import that java.util.package. Then you will get by using functions and methods in that package. And we also have AWT for the strings and applet for the creating applets. So this is the example that I showed here. We create a package called movies and print the statement in categories as Telugu movies, Hindi and English. So this is the task for you. There are 3 different solids available, namely cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder. So we will have to write a code to find out the volume and surface area of these solids. Okay, it is just similar to the example. So first we will create main method outside from the package folder. In the package folder we will create a Java files .java, cuboid.java and other 2. So we will write take the input from the user and just print the statement, print the output area. I think it will take around 20 to 30 minutes to complete this task. So is everyone clear on this task? Any questions regarding this question? This task? PVPs, Sri Chaitanya, any doubts? Okay. Complete this task, it will take around 20 to 30 minutes. Yes. First, you have to create a package called solids or anything. Package name should be solids, for example. In that solids folder, we have these 4 Java files: cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder. Okay. Any questions from Bapatla College and Sri Chaitanya? Okay, no questions. Bapatla? Yeah, okay. And please upload the previous task in the previous session's task in the portal. Don't forget.